All right, are y'all ready to cook oxtails? You know, people ask me all the time, Paula, what is your favorite food? And I have to say that oxtails is right up there at the top. This is swinging sirloin. This is the part down here that swats the flies. and this is the end that's closest to the rump. Now, we've tried cutting these at the restaurant by using a hatchet, and it's really, really hard to cut through that bone. So this is something that you'll definitely want the butcher to do. Now, I have had this one cut into pieces that are about 2 inches thick. This is a real, real rich meat because of all the marrow. There's going to be a fabulous marrow that comes out of this bone. People down south just love oxtails, and they would love for me to run them on the buffet at the Lady and Sons, but it's not always feasible because of the price of them. But once in a while I do like to run them. So we're going to take these now and we're going to season them up. And this is just house seasoning I'm putting on them. All right, and I'm going to put just a little bit of soy sauce. I found that this gives them a lot of flavor that you wouldn't have without it. You could use a Worcestershire, but I'm not a big fan of Worcestershire. All right, now I'm going to just lay a few bay leaves in there. And I'm going to put an onion in here. I love that onion. But our house seasoning has salt, pepper, and garlic already in it. But some extra garlic certainly wouldn't hurt it. And I'm just going to kind of peddle this onion. I kind of came up with this way of cooking them on my own. You know, it really just depends on whether you like a lot of gravy or you like just a little bit of the rich stock. So the last thing I'm going to do to these is put just a little bit of water in the bottom of the pan because I don't want them to burn. So that's enough. Now we're going to cover them, and I'm going to let these cook until they're tender, which may take 4 hours. It may take 2 hours, just depending on the quality of the meat. So in 3.5 hours, 4 hours, we're going to have oxtails. I'm going to throw these into the 350 preheated oven. Y'all know that I'm not going to make you wait that long to see a dish. And now I just want to wash my hands. Look at that. This is one of those dishes where you can really make it your own. I think I've just probably given you the idea of how it works for me, so you can make it taste any way you want to. I took the tinfoil off of this about 30 minutes ago and let the oxtails kind of brown. Ooh, my gracious. Can't wait to taste it with the rice. And then add my favorite little piece to it.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.